Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your taskbar and start menu black on your Windows 11 computer. So this would be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select colors and go ahead and open that up. Where it says choose your mode. If you want to do what I have here and have settings, the settings windows as a light theme and then the taskbar and start menu as dark, what you can do is just set your settings exactly how you see on my screen here. So where it says choose your mode, click on the drop down and you would select custom, and where it says choose your default Windows mode, you can select dark, and then choose your default app mode, you would select light. If you wanted to just make everything dark instead, you could just, where it says choose your mode, just select dark, and then everything would be dark how you see it on my screen. But again, if you prefer the apps be in light mode, you would just click on the drop down and select custom. Choose your default Windows mode. Again, you keep that dark, and then choose your default app mode. You click on the drop down and select light, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.